and we can give it a series of external packages that we want to install. In our project, we're going to use express mongoose.env and course. We're going to look at each package in more depth, but to give you an overview, we're going to be using the express package to set up our server. We're going to be using Mongoose to connect to our database and to communicate with our database. We're going to use .env to store private information. And we're going to use the CORS package to allow our server to be accessed from different IPs. Once we've entered our command, we can press enter. Now the installation might take some time. Once the installation is done, if we go back to our package.json file, we can see that a new key has been added, which is dependencies. And this is going to store all our external dependencies together with their version. Back in our terminal, there's one more package we need to install, which is the nodemon package. We're going to use the nodemon package to restart our server automatically whenever we make changes to our code.